everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ray, and on this video, I'm gonna talk about the Taiwan arrival card. What it is, why it's important, and how to fill it up step by step. If you're planning a trip to Taiwan soon, make sure to watch till the end. I'll also share a few tips that travelers often miss when doing this part of the process. First, what exactly is a Taiwan arrival card? It's a digital immigration form required for most foreign travelers entering Taiwan. It basically replaced the old paper form that we used to fill up in the plane. So ngayon, online na siya and it's a lot more convenient. It's free and you don't need to print anything. And it usually takes around 5 minutes lang to fill up. This is not a visa, and yes, even if you're visa free, you need to fill this up before entering Taiwan. Though if you forget, you can fill it up on the airport, but it may cause delays or more questions sa immigration. So it's better to be prepared. Make sure that you register using the official Taiwan government website. If you search Taiwan arrival card, ang tendency is you'll click on the first option. Yes, it looks like it's their official website, but if you scroll down, it says here that you will need to pay a service fee per person of $29.60. But this is actually free. Yes, they are transparent, but if you didn't review this, you would have ended up spending for something that could have been avoided. So let's go back. You can scroll down to find the actual official website or just make another search. Ayan, as you can see here, the submission is free. Here's a list of the people who should submit a Taiwan arrival card. Since I'm a foreign national and a tourist without a resident visa or certificate, I am required to submit. If you're unsure, just check this list. All you need before you fill up is your valid passport, traveler's valid email address, occupation and phone number, and travel and accommodation information. The arrival card needs to be submitted within 3 days before arrival. Click Submit Arrival Card. Here's a reminder on who should submit and detailed info about the instructions. Click Start. Enter your email address. It should be the email address of the traveler. Verify your email and input your travel information. Upload your passport, date of entry. Auto-generated na yung info from your passport details. Just double check and make sure they're correct. And fill up the rest of the information needed. As of May 2025, Taiwan still doesn't require the Philippines to have a visa to enter, so dito tayo sa no visa. Visa exempt ang select natin dito. Enter your country code and mobile number and occupation. If wala sa list, just select other and type it in. If you have other travelers with you, pwede kayo mag-add. I did travel with others, but we decided to just submit our arrival card individually, which is okay lang din naman. Just click next. Now fill up your itinerary details. Start with the entry flight or vessel number. Ours was booked through AirAsia. You can see the flight details on your flight itinerary over here. Enter the exit flight or vessel number as well. On our case, PAL naman ang exit flight. You can find that here. Select your exit date and purpose of visit, and where you plan to stay. Now click Next. Review all your information. Read and agree to the declaration and submit. And there you go. It's confirmed that your Taiwan arrival card is successful. It has been sent to your email address. No need to print it, but make sure that you have the electronic copy ready with you upon entry, just in case. If you have any changes to the information, you may click Update or update the details before undergoing entry clearance. Be reminded that if you are from a country that requires visa, that this is not considered as a visa. You still have to meet other relevant entry requirements in order to be granted entry. Here are a few common mistakes that travelers make. Again, being charged a fee for submitting a Taiwan arrival card. So make sure you use the official government website. Submitting too early. So make sure that you submit within the 3-day period only before your flight. Wrong passport number. So make sure to always check your information details. Leaving the Taiwan address blank. Just put your hotel or Airbnb. Typos in your name. Make sure that the name you place is exactly how it is on your passport. And also, don't forget to take a screenshot of the confirmation screen, just in case the email doesn't arrive. Once you arrive in Taiwan, immigration will just scan your passport. They don't usually ask for the Taiwan arrival card. Your arrival card is linked electronically, so no need to print anything. But again, having a screenshot of your confirmation is recommended. Sometimes they'll just ask for your hotel booking or return flight. But again, if you filled up your form completely, they won't need to ask these questions. And that's it. It's so simple to submit the Taiwan arrival card. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to get a chance to win 5,000 NTD worth of tourist credits that you can use in transportation, dining, or shopping in Taiwan, check out this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!